Remember those days when you could just travel by yourself? You got married and then it was just you two all the time. And then along came the mini human. All right, here's some travel tips with kids, how to pack. Let's go. Less is more. They're tiny humans. They don't need more than we need. We're bigger people.
Tip 101.
A great rule of thumb that I go by is 1.5 pairs of clothes a day. You're there for 7 days, multiply that by 1.5, and you get around 10, 11 pairs, because I'm awesome at math. Make sure you mix match, you reuse. Those little people have little tiny items that just float around the universe and I never see them again. Less is more.
Tip 1 and 2.
Shoes. They're so cute. If your children do not walk, you do not need to bring shoes. Just bring 2 pairs so they're comfortable. You'll have tiny little happy feet. Stylish. Hiking, you're going to a restaurant, make sure they work for any of it.
Tip 1 and 3.
Sleeping is very important. More important to my girls. You don't want to see the sass that'll come out of those little people. Lovey, the blankie are the things that are most important to them. For Snuggle Organic. I knew where she was in the bed. Didn't have to carry a huge pack and play everywhere we went. In planes, camping, while we moved, lounging around and you're trying to pack up your things, it is a perfect way for them to be safe and happy and snuggly.
Tip number 4.
Make sure you have foldable transportation.
Tip 5.
This is my favorite that I've come up with, and I kind of love the surprise bag. Label it 1 through however many half an hours or hours that you're traveling, and bring a surprise, a treat, a game, be your everyday snack. Some tips for anyone quickly.
Tip 5.
Hiking shoes, you have dirt and you have to put them back in. You have a mess. Shower caps are so successful.
Tip number 4.
Let's talk the bathroom. Have a bathroom bag for all of us and 1 little bin bag on the inside. Boys and girls in your family, you can split the stuff.
Tip 3.
Everything you pack is travel style if possible.
Tip 1 and 2.
Shrink bags. Absolute favorite things ever. Which is the new kind that you can shrink out on your very own. Reuse those shrink bags for dirty clothes.
Tip 101.
And last, something I have to do is set a reminder on my phone an hour before we're going to leave. Anything that's last minute, put on that list. And a few of the things that we like to do, there's probably a million more. You guys will be good to go.
Say, Carrie! Peace.